Hi guys, welcome ulit sa tutorial natin. For today, meron tayong problem na galing sa Electrical Technology by Tirahan. Calculate the resistance of 100-meter length of a wire having a uniform cross-sectional area of 0.1 millimeter square if the wire is made of manganese having a resistivity of 50 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohm meter. If the wire is drawn out 3 times its original length, by how many times would you expect its resistance to be increased? So, nahanap natin dito, meron na pala tayong pagbabasehan na answer. First na hanapin natin is the resistance. So, yung R. And then, given tayo ng length, which is 100 meters. And then, cross-sectional area, meron tayong area na 0.1 meter squared. And then, may resistivity, or given tayo ng material na manganese, which its resistivity is 50 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohm meter. Kung papansin nyo na yung unit natin sa length ay meter, and then yung unit natin sa resistivity ay ohm meter, pero yung unit natin sa area is 0.1 millimeter squared. So, kailangan natin i-convert si millimeter squared into meter squared. Bali, 0.1 millimeter squared. And then, kung ano yung kino-convert natin, which I mean, si millimeter square yung i-convert natin into meter square. Kaya dapat si mm ay siya yung nasa denominator. And then, si m dapat yung nasa sa numerator. And then, 1 meter kasi is 1,000 mm. Since naka mm squared tayo, i-raise natin ito sa 2. Magka-cancel out si mm squared and then si mm dito kasi nga mag-distribute yung square sa numerator and sa denominator. Kaya our area now will be natin sa calculate 0.1 multiply to 1 over 1,000 square. Ang area natin ay 1 times 10 raised to negative 7 meters squared. Resolve na natin si resistance using the formula or the mnemonic na R+. Diba ang resistance is equals to the resistivity times the length all over the area. Resistivity natin is 50 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohm meter. And then multiply to 100 meter all over area natin is 1 times 10 raised to negative 7 meters squared. Magka-cancel out si meter square tsaka yung meter at meter sa numerator. Kaya ang maiiwan sa atin ngayon ay ang unit na ohms. Kaya yung magiging sagot natin dito ay 50 times 10 raised to negative 8 times 100 all over 1 times 10 raised to negative 7. Answer is 500 ohms. Nakuha na natin yung isang sagot. And then, merong isang tanong na if the wire is drawn out 3 times its original length, sabi dito, si L1 daw natin, i-ano muna natin, let's try to label muna. So, R1, L1, A1, resistivity 1. Para hindi tayo malito. So, si L1 daw is, sa pangalawang condition pala, if the wire is drawn out to 3 times its original length, so yung L1 daw, I mean, ano pala, si L2, si L2, si L2 now is 3 times ni L1. Then ang question, by how many times would you expect its resistance to be increased? So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay si R2. Ngayon, sabi dito, if the wire is drawn out. Pag sinabi natin drawn out, i-stretch natin yung wire or papakabain natin yung wire. Ano ba yung makukuha natin dun? Kapag i-stretch natin yung wire, magde-decrease yung area. Kasi nga humaba si length. When you increase the length, kasi nga length is inversely proportional to the area. Kaya pag in-increase mo yung length, si area 1 na daw ay magiging, si area 2, yung pangalawang area natin, ay magiging 1/3 na lang ni area 1. And then, hindi naman since in-stretch lang natin siya, si resistivity 2 is equal to resistivity 1. And then, ito kasi pag nagre-ratio and, ito na kasi ganitong mga tanong is ratio and proportion. Kaya, mas magandang gamitin yung ratio and proportion dito. Kapag gumagamit tayo ng ratio and proportion, kung ano yung nahanap, siya yung nasa numerator. Kasi R2 over R1 is equals to R pla pa rin tayo, di ba? So, si P2, si resistivity 2, L2 all over area 2 all over resistivity 1, L1 all over area 1. Since Same lang naman si resistivity 2 at si resistivity 1. Pwede na natin siyang i-cancel out. And then this is equals to si L2 natin is 3 times ni L1 or the original length all over area 2 is 1/3 L1 all over L1 over L1. Then kung mapapansin nyo, pwede natin i-cancel out din dito si L1 at si L1. Matitira na will be R2 all over R1 equals to 3 over 1 divided by 3 is 9. Kaya our final answer here is that si R2 ay magiging 9 times ni R1. That's our final answer. At nakuha natin yung sagot sa problem. Ngayon lang, sana may natutunan kayo. And maraming salamat sa panahon.